That's a question I'm asking everybody. So you guys, do you think the ones that are joining us virtually, the question is in the age where there's QuickBooks, Zero, and reports are automated, transactions are automated, is there still a use in studying bookkeeping manually? Where you manually prepare income statement, balance sheet, cash flow? Yes. Why and why not? Still better to know how changing one affects different accounts for troubleshooting. Right, the same answer with Lloyd. What else?
Familiarity, because
So you become familiar.
yeah, because you can easily provide the answers or the statement of your data compared to having it fully automated, because you have to rely on your data sheet.
Good. And Ruby says, better to know why and the how. I love that answer.
Sometimes
There could be error in the system. The system is not working properly. Right? Like you look at the system and says, this was not the number I was expecting. Something must be wrong with the system. Formula errors in the system. Can do manual double checking. To know what happened in the back end, accounting system will not show you the flows. Good. To understand the basic idea of recording and especially classifying of data, and if there are adjustments needed to do.
That's a sneak peek of our US bookkeeping episode. Want the full episode? Don't miss the full learning experience. This is just a glimpse of what you'll learn in our US bookkeeping, communication skills, and US taxation courses. Register for free to access the complete session, or take your learning further by enrolling in the full program. As an enrolled student, you'll gain access to premium lessons, exclusive learning resources, career development opportunities, and our internship program at no additional cost. Whether you're a beginner, career shifter, or aspiring global professional, this program is designed to help you build the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the international job market. Click the link in the description to register or enroll today. Your journey to becoming a borderless accountant starts here. Be part of our growing community and never miss important updates, trainings, tips, and opportunities. Follow our TikTok page, follow our Facebook page, join our Facebook community, connect through Telegram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll never miss our next training session. See you in the next video. Borderless Accountants. Skills without borders. Careers without limits.